Hello guys and welcome to the Upcycling Multiverse. So today we have got a drift car here. So it is a 1/24 scale RC drift car. So it is a 4-wheel drive car and has got LEDs. So the box looks something like this, and without any delay, let's see what's inside this. So this is the car. Actually the detailing is pretty good and you can see it's 4-wheel drive. So the detailing is pretty good here. Okay, so we have got the LEDs, and now this is some obstacles which we can use for drifting. This is the rubber tire, and here we have the charger. So the remote looks good, it's proportional, and the steering also seems to be proportional here. So in the top we have got a high-low button, a power button and a light button. Can see like that, and it uses 2 AA batteries, and this is how everything looks. So let's quickly add some batteries into the remote, make it live. And I missed the screwdriver that I received with this, so I'll use my screwdriver. Let's quickly turn it on, and the light is blinking, which means it is ready to pair. And now let's connect the batteries in the car. Oh, it has got a single cell, 3.7 volt cell it has got. Now let's close everything, and now you can see as I give the throttle, the speed increases and decreases. So the steering is proportional here, and you can see and you can turn the lights on and off. That's how it looks. Now it has got 2 speeds. I don't know how much speed is getting reduced here, but yeah, it has got one button for that. And you can see it's not a servo unit, it's just a mini motor, but they have tried to make it proportional. Why? Because you can see. So now let's quickly jump into the looks of the car.